Hello! Welcome back for another day of Advent of Code. This will be day 17, which means it is the 16th in my time zone. Yesterday we did day 16, which was quite a bit of a tricky one. Although, in retrospect, I figured out the hard parts, and I was just being a little derpy about the last little optimization. But I did take day 16 and optimize it a little bit offline. Also, I improved my crystal solution with the help of, oh, what is his name? Penguin Owl. Yes, Penguin Owl helped me fix up the last little bits there. Let me just pull that change in. And I also improved my Python solution, so we'll take a quick look at that. Ethan Timing says, hello! What do you think of Crystal? I thought it was pretty interesting. I'm not really like a fan of Ruby, but Crystal seems a lot better than Ruby. Mostly because it's, what the fuck? Nano CD, yeah, that's gonna work. Mostly because it's strongly typed, which made it a lot better to work with. But let me show you what I did for my day 16 solutions. Part 1.py and part 2.py. Yeah, so for part 1 I added another solution which uses, well, we'll look at part 2 first. Part 2 I did a lot of simplifications. Yeah, it's a nano CD kind of day. Hey, what's up, Knackle Eric? How's it going? Yeah, I've had a few drinks, so hopefully this will go well. You know, nothing like a Monday without a few beers before we start writing code. But yeah, I managed, so I changed the way part 2 works. I mostly just factored out all of the less than half things and just like asserted that the offset is in the second half of things. So simplified the code a lot. Basically, I was able to delete this entire block because it's unnecessary. I also realized that this sum table can be replaced by just subtracting instead of pre-computing the whole table. I can just have one scalar here, so just one sum and then subtract from it. I also realized that I can chop off the beginning of the array now that there's nothing dealing with the beginning of the array, so we just chop off there. And then that means at the end we only need to look at the first 8. So that after all of that rewrite, the code is now pretty short. What, like line 8 to line 20, so 12 lines of code to solve that puzzle, so not so bad. And then I took that same solution and applied it to part 1. So all that I have left here is to run the timing now that I've updated it, and then commit that. The Dreaded One says, you seem to be a master of the Git. You should do a tutorial sometime. It's confusing AF behind the push and pull commands. Yeah, I really should, because I spend a lot of time in Git, and I feel like I know what I'm doing for the most part. And when I don't know what I'm doing, I at least know what to look for. There's a couple of like pretty important workflows that I do over and over and over, and I think it would be useful to like share those with other people. So yeah, I might do that at some point. But yeah, you'll notice like the last optimization doesn't actually make much of a difference for part 1. Add this, not as I still haven't fixed my terminal to get rid of this option because I literally never want it, but we did a whole recompile to make it happen, and then I never committed it. Doctor this output a little bit. But yeah, my part 2 is now way faster. So it used to take like 34 seconds, and I think it was down to like 5 or so, which is pretty good. Can I try PyPy? Yes. Day 16, vm bin PyPy, part 1.py, input.text. Okay, down to 20 seconds, whatever. It's 5 seconds on my work computer. But yeah, like PyPy, zoom, very, very, very fast. What does it do for part 2? What the fuck? Holy shit. PyPy for part 2 takes 200 milliseconds, but CPython takes 20 seconds? The fuck? Like, goddamn, I didn't realize it was that much faster. Like, what is CPython doing here? Ethan says PyPy is magic. It's magic, but like holy shit magic. Like, this is fucking nuts. Like, 200 milliseconds versus 20 seconds. Oh, that's wild. I did not expect it to be that much faster. Did not expect that. Okay, but yeah, let me amend this commit and then we'll stick that on top of master. Git branch, git merge. Fast forward only. This one. Not possible to fast forward. Gotta go fast because I'm running out of time. Dang it! Check out rebase. What the fuck do you mean I have changes? There we go. Finally figured it out. Hey, what's up, Michaela? How's it going? Get rid of that branch. Reapply my patch. Where did my patch go? Day 16/patch. Alright, cool. We're back to our state. I'm gonna bet that today is another intcode day, so... Just guessing, because it's another odd number day. We'll see if I'm right again. If not, we can copy the other template, and that'll be easy to do. But I'm gonna copy day 9 part 2, because that's my completed int code. Get this ready to go. Day 17. Assuming we're gonna need an input. We don't have tests for this one, but just in case that isn't right, we'll get this command ready, and I think that's ready to go. Let's see. PyPy is magic, yes. PyPy is some amazing magic. Very well engineered magic, I agree. Archatis says, this is what I'm saying, more effort should go into PyPy. I totally agree. The dreaded one says, does hitting Control-C at the end of a type command just cancel/clear it? Yes, I do that all the time. So like, I'll just be like, never mind, I didn't want to run that, so I'll Control-C. So yeah, if you notice me doing that, it's become a secondhand habit now. 100x faster implications for Python are huge. Yeah, it's wild. The problems with PyPy is it has all the pros and cons of a JIT. Yeah, the slow startup time is a little bit unfortunate, and the higher memory overhead is a thing. Michaela says, I don't know, cries. How are you? I'm doing all right. Just went to a friend's going away party, which was fun. Had a little bit to drink, but I'm hopefully sober enough. Yeah, intcode Mediox and Ethelbert. That's what I'm thinking. That's why I've got the intcodes already open. I'm ready to hack on these functions here. Well, we'll see if I'm right. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Odd numbers usually mean, well, odd numbers since day 5 has meant intcode. Slow startup plus tracing JITs are kind of meh. Yeah. You mean like tracing the code or tracing like the implementation of the JIT? Because I know that I've had a hard time tracing what the hell is going on with PyPy, and like, especially profiling it has been kind of difficult because like, it doesn't quite give you the tools you would want there. It's slightly too loud. Okay, one notch down. All right, 1 minute to go. Yeah, not a drunk stream. Not drunk stream today. Just slightly inebriated. That's what we're going with. Tracing jets are based on the idea of tracing the execution of code, so if you hit a cold path, things suck. Okay, yeah. I wasn't sure whether you're talking about, like, tracing as a as an engineering concept or tracing as a JIT implementation. Yes, tomorrow will be the last stream of the year, sadly enough. It's actually been like a pretty good year for streaming for me. I think I started out averaging like 10 people per stream, and I'm up to like 50 or 60. So like, I'm like super grateful for everyone who's come out to streams. TV Josh says, shit, yeah, caught up day 12. Nice, that's a good one. Oh shit, we gotta start. Okay, day 17. Let's go. Is it intcode? Is it intcode? It's intcode. I guessed right. Yay. Oh. Okay, what is the gimmick today? Looks like a map. Okay. Wi-Fi, damage, wire cameras, small vacuum robot. Okay, blah blah blah. Intcode program called the AF scaffold blah 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 ASCII provides access to the cameras in the vacuum room. Currently, because the vacuum robot is asleep, you can only access the cameras. Running the ASCII program on your encode will provide the current window of scaffolds. This is output, purely coincidentally, as ASCII code. Okay, that's not so bad. That means scaffold dot means open space. Vacuum robot is visible as this, depending on whether it's facing up or down. Okay, so we'll get a map out. Cool. When drawn like this, the vacuum robot is always on the scaffold. If the robot ever walks off of a scaffold and begins tumbling through space uncontrollably, it will be visible as X. In general, the scaffold folds a path, but sometimes loops back onto itself. Okay, so we walk around the scaffold, I guess? Sitting at the edge of one of the scaffold near the bottom right of the image. Oop, right there. First step is to calibrate the camera by getting the alignment parameters of some well-defined points. Locate all of the scaffold intersections for each. Its alignment parameter is the distance between the left edge and the left edge of the view, multiplied by the distance between the top edge. So this and this. Okay, so we don't have an input function. I think this is all we're doing. Okay, so that's our thing. Do we just manually pick them out of here? How would I find an intersection in this? An intersection is where all four corners match? Okay. We want a grid. Grid is a collections.default dict. Actually, it's just this, right? This will be dict int char, or dict stir. Dict int stir. Okay. X equals 0, y equals 0. S equals char of n. If char equals new line, then x equals 0, y plus equals 1. Grid yx equals otherwise equals s. When we see a new line, we'll jump to the next line. Otherwise, we assign here an x plus equals 1. So that should give us a grid. Y rect. Right, we need non-local. Cool. For y in range, or for if is intersection. The top is 2 units from the left and 2 units from the top. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, cool. So we just multiply them. The bottom left is that. Okay, so we sum all of them together. Okay, ret plus equals y chord times x chord, and then return ret at the end. Is intersection, return we have a bunch of conditions here. Y chord is less than the length of what do we call it? Grid? Yeah. Grid minus 1, and x chord is less than the length of grid 0 minus 1, and grid actually start with that. And grid, we gotta check the 4 around it. That should be it. Int is not. Did I fuck this up? What did I fuck up here? Oh, this should be dot values. Oh, actually, this is what I want. Oh, we forgot to print at the end. Alright, let's get our points. Hell yeah, we barely got points. Now for the tricky part. Notifying all the other robots about the solar flare. The vacuum robot can do this automatically if it gets into the range of a robot. However, you can't see the other robots on the camera, so you need to be thorough instead. You need to make the vacuum robot visit every part of the scaffold at least once. The vacuum robot normally wanders randomly, but there isn't time for that. Instead, you can override its movement logic with new rules. Force the vacuum robot to wake up by changing the value in your ASCII program at address 0 from 1 to 2. Okay, we can do that real easily. Okay, prog d0 equals 2. When you do this, you'll be automatically prompted for new movement rules that the vacuum robot should use. The ASCII program will use the input instructions to receive them, but they need to be provided as ASCII code. End each line of a logic with this. What the fuck? End each line of logic with a single new line, ASCII code 10. First, you'll be prompted for the main movement routine. The main routine may only call the movement functions. A, B, or C. Supply the movement functions to use as... We're not getting points on part 2. What the fuck is going on here? This seems important. Find the movement functions to use the ASCII text. Separate them with commas. Okay. I like how it tells me the ASCII codes, but I'm just gonna use ORD. You will then be prompted for each movement function. Movement functions may use L to turn left or R to turn right, or a number to move forward that many units. Wow, I got lucky with the line break there. For example, to move forward 10 units, turn left, then move forward 8 units, turn left, turn right, you would do 10 L, 8 R, 6, and then a new line. Finally, you will be asked whether you want to see a continuous video feed, provide either Y or N and a new line. Enabling the continuous video feed can help you see what's going on, but it also requires a significant amount of processing power and may even cause your intcode computer to overheat. Due to a limited amount of memory in the vacuum room, about the ASCII definitions of the main routine and the movement functions may only contain at most 20 characters. For example, consider the following camera feed. In order for the robot to visit every part of the scaffold at least once, one path that it could take is R, so it turns this way, then 8, then R8, then R4, then R4, then R8. Of that path. Without the memory limit, you could just supply this whole string to function A and have the main routine call A once. However, you need to split it into smaller parts. Oh. Oh, so we're writing fucking code for this damn thing. Holy shit. We're writing code to write code, to write code, to write code, guys. Oh my god. As the vacuum robot finds other robots and notifies them of the impending solar flare, it can't help but leave them squeaky clean, collecting any space dust. Okay, so when it completes this, it will print out a single value. Oh my god. This problem is fucking crazy. Yo, what's up, Aneurysm? How's it going? Okay, so in 2, we're just sending input instructions, and then we're printing the output. Oh, I should run this in the printing mode again, so that we can see it. And then we can just plot, we can figure it out by hand, and then input it. This is fine. Everything is okay. Alright, this is our... Wait, this looks different. Okay, this is our input. And we have to somehow program this beast. And we only have 3 subroutines. Holy shit. Just make a roguelike and walk around to solve it. Yeah, right? Let's see. How long are these? 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. What's the problem again? I'm supposed to write functions like this. And run them, I think. How does it input? First, you'll be prompted for the main movement routine. The main movement routine may only call the functions A, B, or C. Supply the movement functions used as ASCII text, separating them with commas, and ending the list with a new line. Okay, so we'll supply our code, then you'll be prompted for each movement function, so we'll do then functions A, B, and C. So we need to plot out how we're gonna solve this. Do I do it manually, or do I write code to solve it, is the problem. And we're only given how many instructions per thingy thing? Let's chat there. This is kind of cool though. I'm surprised it called, I guess it calls the map first. Oh, buddy. Well, this is gonna be our endpoint, I think. Given this crazy ass path here. Oh, this is gonna be so tricky. I don't even know how to, like... I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to apply a solution that works for other things. Alright, let's see. What do we got here? The startup even slower than that of CPython. Yes. Knowledge demands more streams. Yeah. Taking down the game dev streamers one viewer at a time, right? 4 times slower, yeah, somewhere around there. Find the intersections with the regex. I got it with logic. I got points, a couple of them. Aneurysm says, "What the fuck, indeed." Yeah. That poor intcode computer. This is a path search traversal algorithm, something like that. Nitrixin. Did someone say JIT? Is that a joke because someone said it a long time ago and you've just now started up? Give up while you still can. This is insane. I agree, C9C. Thingy thing. Did I say that? I say that all the time. Okay. Are we doing this manually? I think we're doing this manually. How many characters do we get per program? Delete all this code though. I guess, like, I don't know how you would make this generic, first off. So I'm gonna just, like, manually do it. So this is the instructions that we need to do. We need to do left, then or, then right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just gonna write out what we have to do, and then we'll try and write code to optimize it, maybe? Or we could make this generic. We could make this generic. Let's try and make it generic. Because I think writing it out manually is going to suck. Alright, so we run the program. Oh, but how do I know when we have input? I guess we get one shot. Let's save out the position of this so we don't have to find it later. Non-local, what is it called? Bot pause is equal to, did it say what the character of the bot is going to be? Is it always going to be a caret? Facing up. Oh, we might get it as this one. We'll just assert that it's always an up arrow, right? We can just cheat that, right? If s is equal to this, then bot x equals x, and bot y equals y. Alright, so now we need to write a reversal algorithm. Oh, this is gonna suck. This code is gonna be so bad. Maybe I should do my grid as tuple int instead. That way I can do my assertions faster. Default to an empty string, and then down here we'll just do x comma y because we're sane people and like curses. Okay. Establish some sanity. Just rotate the puzzle instead of the bot, always facing up. Yeah. What's the output? It will spew out some number after it has reached the end. And then terminate, assumedly. Okay, assert grid bot x bot y is equal to caret. Cool, we know the position now. There's no test input out. There is one test input output, which is a smaller one. We could try this one. You could try this one and try and get to this position. So that's the first step. I guess we can do this smaller. Wait. Fuck, I don't know how we would. We could path by writing a separate pathing function. Test that first. Yeah, I guess we could do that. Get path. We have grid, which is dix, tuple, int stir. And we have bot x, which is int, and bot y, which is int. And that will return, who knows what it will return. But we can use this as our input. Does the main routine have a size limit? Because then you could just do A equals L, B equals R, C equals 1. I think it does. Due to the limited amount of memory in the vacuum, the ASCII definition of the main routine and the movement function must contain at most 20 characters. So we can't do that. That'd be fun though. What is the output? What does the number represent? The amount of dust it cleans up. Ulva Alcon says, how did you learn to program? Self-taught. I originally started with blah, blah, blah. with like some projects that I was working on for myself. The first one I did was like a quadratic formula solver. Okay, how do we build up this input and then call this function? Let's see. For y in input dot split lines. Int put. We've written too much int codes. Now we're doing int puts. For x comma row, underscore these, so I don't accidentally myself later. Enumerate row. I don't know why I did default dict. I know why I did default. Never mind. Grid x, y equals s. If s is equal to caret, then bot x equals x and bot y equals y, and then we can call our pathing function. Actually, this can be a test. And then we don't have this wacky underscore restriction. Oh, that fucked up. Oh, I regret everything. No. Oops. Mistakes are made. Okay, I'll just do these ones manually. Immediate regrets on underscoring all of these. Okay, assert get path grid bot x bot y is equal to this bad boy right here. But then we'll have to optimize that into chunks somehow. Love to be annoying, but what else am I gonna do? And we'll just pretend I have a code formatter that will fix that for me later. Int put, the act of putting a garbage value on top of the stack, right? Right, VF Davis? Ulva says, do you code for a living? Yes, I work at Lyft. 8-layer portal says, you also have bot x int. Bot y comment int. Is there supposed to be a comment? Ah, you saved me some time there. Thank you, friend. I would have found that eventually, though, but thank you for that. Overclone says, hello from the UK, by the way. Don't know why I'm up at this time, 5:30 in the morning. Hey, what's up, Zerkot? How's it going? And Rashab, hello. How to get the motivation to code after getting placements? I don't know what that means. Be sleeping too, it's 12:30 a.m. Europeans are crazy. Y'all are crazy, but thank you for coming by. I feel like if you're on Vim, that could have been 2 key presses. I mean, it was 2 key presses with Nano. I could have also done like a regex. Do I even lift? No, I actually don't. LIFT. I do LYFT. I took one today. It was really fucking expensive. Clarification: people in the UK that I personally know are willing to have weird sleeping schedules in order to talk with American friends. Aw, love you guys. We won't be Europeans for too much longer. Ooh, the spice. Okay, so I think the way I'm gonna do this is I'm just gonna go until I hit walls and then bounce around until I get to the end. So, if, well, we need a direction, right? Yeah. So if direction, let's see, direction equals grid, bot x bot y. If direction is equal to up and grid bot x bot y minus 1 does not equal this, ooh. Wait, we could left twice. Do we ever left twice? I don't think we left twice in our... We don't have to turn around. Oh yeah, that would make no sense. It would be like up and then down. We don't have that. So we'll ignore that case. Okay. If grid bot x bot x plus 1 Alright, if to the right we have that, then ret dot append r and direction is equal to this. Elif grid, well, else. Assert grid bot x minus 1 bot y is equal to this. Ret and L direction is equal to this. Okay. Now we have to do this 4 times and the other condition. Well, actually, let's do this. If direction is equal to up. If that's true, then ret negative 1 plus equals 1. Grid bot x bot y is equal to x. We'll just say that's the visited. And bot y minus equals 1. So if it's going up, we see a scaffold above us, we can move to that position. If not, then we can move to the left. Okay, so that handles one of the directions. We need to do that for all 4 of the directions. Can I just copy and paste this? Yeah, basically. But I gotta be very careful about copy pasting. Alright, so let's do left now. facing left, it would be -1 to turn right. And then we would be facing up. Otherwise, it would be +1 to be turning left and then facing downwards. Okay, there's that one. If we're facing right, we need to, let's copy and paste this. This code is super gross, but fuck it. We're facing right and above us, well, below us to turn right. And above us to turn left. And we have our down case. We're facing down and y +1. Otherwise, to turn right, subtract 1 here, and then we're going left, because we go down, turn right is left. Otherwise, this. This is our real shit counting algorithm. Oh, you could do it with 1 character in Vim. Look at me now! Typos galore. What do you mean? Oh, I suck at regexes. Boom! Invalid syntax. It's fine. Oh, I gotta import tuple. How's the leaderboard looking? What are we looking at, friends? How far behind are we? Okay, some update didn't happen. 50 is done. Okay, not so bad. Okay, which update did I fuck up? Which of these 8 modifications did I screw up? We're facing up, bot y minus equals 1. If we're facing left, bot x minus equals 1. If we're facing right, bot x plus equals 1. If we're facing down, bot y plus equals 1. Those all look correct. This is wrong though. All of these are wrong. All these are very wrong. Why did I put double equals here? What am I doing? Some solid nonsense there. Key error. Key error. Key error. Key error my ass. X, plot Y. Okay, we're searching right. We tried above us. Well, we tried to the right, and there wasn't anything there. Huh. Huh. Hey, what's up, Batiska? And Zerkot, I'm working on admin of code. Used to be like that Australia, but frankly at this point, sleeping really matters to me, so I sacrifice friend time for sleep time these days. Nice. Time's ticking, yeah. Are you finding the max dust you can collect? It just tells me the amount of dust. 8-layer portal, can't you just copy and paste this? Yes, I did. I don't know what is going on, but if it works, then it works. Only 38 people have completed so far, doing well. My face when not using enums, right? I'm using strings. Malice Fort Worth. My face when sets a mark point named F and then jumps ahead a word. Thanks, Eric. Nope, the F out of yesterday's problem got number 5 today. Damn. Damn, look at you, speedy boy. Gave up on day 4. Oh, day 4? Or, wait, I'm confused. Or number 5 in the... Did I say hear my ass? Did I really say that? Nice. Doing Python, I can hear it just fine. It'll be waiting for you. I'm personally really enjoying all the intcode ones. Eric Ducks. Oh, I'm not English. I'd like to know what admin code is. Okay, cool. Eric, the creator of admin code, linked it in the chat. I did say hear my ass. What was I talking about? Okay, let's do some prints, I guess. Oh, but there's lots of prints. Let's at least see if this looks reasonable. Actually, we probably want to print grid since I've decided on a different grid format. Print grid. Damn, if only I knew the largest and smallest X and Y. Man. Man X. Right. Slightly more convenient data structure. Oh, also I fucked this up. Oh, I made the same typo again. What is our print? Oh, I should put new lines in there. Okay, so we started out up here, we went to the right, then we turned, we went down. Then we got to the bottom, and we turned and went right, or left. Well, we turned right, but went left. Then we got over there. Oh, I see what happens. We're crossing over ourselves, and so I didn't account for that. And so that's when we hit the assertion. Okay, so we just need to allow it to cross over itself. What the fuck happened here? Oh, and now we're going off the bottom of the screen. What the hell happened here? Goodbye, my people need me. Did I edit the wrong if statement? I bet I did. Oh, you know what? Yeah. This needs to be... I was trying to get cheeky with my strings there, but it turns out my default dict defaults to the empty string, and the empty string is contained in all strings, so this was true, and it allowed it to escape the grid. At least I figured it out quickly. That was kind of funny though. Goodbye, my people need me. Alright, we're still crashing. What do we got here? You were so close! You were so close! What the fuck, mate? Oh, we assign it before we move. We should assign it after we move. Or other way around. There's surely a more clever way than this copy-pasted shenanigans, but I don't really want to think about it. Okay, we've got the path. There's a command for that in chat. That's the command. Okay, we got the path. That's good. Now we need to figure out how to turn this into a program. Oh man, I am so far behind on chat. Let's see. Thanks a lot for AOC. Also, Cinecore Challenge. That one was fantastic. I'm glad you enjoyed it. The Cinecore Challenge is a good time. Do Prince of Persia. Prince of Persia. Prince of Persia. Feels like intcode has a lot of that as inspiration, or the other way around. Zircot says you were ranting about how inferior Nano is to Vim. Oh. Okay. I don't know why I said it in that way, though. Maybe one of you should clip it and then show it to me so I can remember. Both problems have common inspiration. Been so long since I worked on Cinecore Challenge, I barely remember anything from it. I remember that damn teleporter. Nice. I didn't try it, so I don't know. Any recommendations of similar projects challenge other than previous years? Working on those already? Stallman would be proud of you, though. Any game from Zachtronics? Haven't done Zachtronics. Then we'll skip a little bit of chat because looks like you guys are just talking back and forth, but I appreciate all of the chatter. It's all good. Escaped containment, yeah. Breakout was day 13. Yeah. Bang downtime, bang pizza time. Slantways time. Oh, it's another one of your projects. Okay, cool. I'll have to check that out. Let me bookmark that, because that way I can check it out later. Bookmark this page. Oh, the home screen looks looks in the same style. Okay, so now that we have this as our output, we need a way to optimize this pattern. So we need to get basically need to get like 3 substrings out of this that work the same. What is the actual answer here? What happens if the bot falls off the scaffolding? Does it die? Right 8, right 8. So that's fine. Then left. Oh, then right 4. Yeah. Then right 4. Then right 8. Then left 6, left 2. Okay, so it looks like at least in this one, it always follows it always follows specific path segments. Wow, Michaela. Time to bookmark more things to literally never look at again. Are you calling me out? I look at my bookmarks. I promise, sometimes. Part1.py ported. Did you copy my part1.py somehow? Which function is this? Oh, is this day something or another? Day 1? As a friend would say, peak topaz. Rate of fall damage algorithm. 8-layer portal says, have a good night, everyone. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you around. Narrator voice, but he did not look at the bookmarks. Not ever. I look at my bookmarks. Promise. Okay, so we need segment path. Man, I don't even know where to start at this. You look at them, but do you check them? We definitely have to start, so we can at least get our path out of the program now, in theory, right? Right. Break point. I gotta not print anymore. Okay, this is our path. So we've got some L10s. We've also got some R10s. Is this like a substring optimization problem? Like unique substrings? No. It's not what I want. Find all distinct substrings? How many functions can you have? 2 max. Something sliding windows something. Do we ever see L4R8 is the thing? See a lot of L4s. Did it say anything about the robot going off the edge? Maybe the robot decided to walk around in circles for a while. That is a good point. That would allow it to do some other movements. So like if we got up here somehow, we could walk around here and then maybe this is a movement. No, it is actually a good point, Michaela. Search tumble. Just tumble? You mean Tumblr? Oh, in the puzzle, not randomly. Wait, what? Oh, in the puzzle text. Oh. Okay, walks off a scaffold, begins tumbling through space uncontrollably. Cool, okay, so I'm assuming it dies. Competitive Mutt says, how are you such a genius? Eric? Eric's a genius because he made these puzzles. Though now you know how you can get them to Google regular random words. Yeah. What's a good starting point to learn coding? Find a problem that you want to solve and then hack on it until it's solved. A little bit general, but that's how I learned to program. I would start with tutorials though nowadays because there's better stuff now. Cute dogs, is that what we're Googling now? Oh, look at these fluffy puppies! This one's pretty ugly though. This one's not a cute dog. Sorry pupper. This one's also a little weird. Something about this one I don't like. But anyway, that's puppers. I'm rating dogs now. Okay. Not how you spell it. Isn't it this? Oh no, it is. Shiba is the meme spelling. I see. Wait, what do their puppies look like? Is that these little floof balls? Oh, I see. I have a paw. Derp. This is a pillow. That is not a puppy. I feel lied to, Google Images. Okay, that's enough of that. Hey, what's up, Gabskenike? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, that's kind of dog you have. Oh, nice. Nice. THFYM. Not happening. Not happening. No, I didn't like the Chow Puppy. The Chow Puppy looked a real derp, like its face got squashed in. So floofy. Yeah. They don't bark, they screech. Yikes. Competitive Mutt says, in all honesty, what really is the point of coding if you're not doing to be making websites? Sorry, I'm really stupid stuff, just super interested. You can do other stuff with programming, like I use it to automate a lot of like menial tasks that I do all the time. I mean, you can make games, you can make apps, you could compute numbers, you could work on math problems, you could do all sorts of stuff. Okay, so we found the shortest path, and if we look, I mean, at least for this simple solution, it was easy to find. It was easy to find, well, I say easy, like following this, these all are substrings in here. Like R8, R8, then R4 over R8, then L6, L2, then this, then this, then this. So in this example, it was pretty straightforward. The scaffolding outside your ship is much more complex. Yeah. What else? Other things you can do with coding. Programming a Roomba to rescue the robots about to be hit by solar flare. Yeah. Wait, so we get 20 ASCII characters for each. Languages may contain at most 20 characters, not counting the new line. Oh, and if we have 2-digit numbers, then we lose a character on that. So... Alright, so we know we have to start with an L. One way or another. That's part of one of the programs. Unless we do write 3 times. But somehow I don't think that's the answer. And we have to start with L4. So one of them has to have L4, somewhere or another. We have 4, 8, 6, and 10 in these inputs. So that's fine. I guess we could split them into pairs and try each of the pairs and just brute force it until we end up with nothing. Hey, what's up, Red123123? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Let's see. This is nonsense, but that actually wouldn't work either. That would be a stretch, but I'd say for the computer freaks part. You guys are telling me I'm surrounded by a bunch of computer freaks. I mean, I don't think I'm a computer freak. Also, I don't think people, like, there aren't really, well, I don't know, there might be some hackers. Like, there might be some hackers. There might be some hackers. Also, it's spelled freak with a PH. I don't know what this thing is called. String cover? String cover programming. Shortest superstring. What does that mean? No, that's like the opposite problem. Ah, we have the hacker man. Alright, so if we're given 3 programs, and at most they can have 10 characters, and one of them has to have a 10 in it. Well, 2 of them have to have a 10 in it, because we have... Well, unless one of the programs ends in R. But that would be kind of weird. That'd be real weird. Yeah, we're Hackerman Mediox. I'm here. This is already hurting my eyes. Competitive Month, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream, even though you're heading out. But thank you for stopping by. Hope to see you around in the future. The dreaded one says my real handle is Zero Cool. Nice. Hello, Red12313 again. Hello again. How do you know we haven't already hacked you? Right? Everyone is freaks except us. True. Okay. I gotta actually think about this one. Oh, here's L4, L10. Oh, here's L4, L4, L10. That sounds like a thing. Oh, here's another L4, L4, L10. Okay, I'm leaving a note. L4, L4, L10. How many characters is this? 12. We can still afford slightly more characters. Although that gets us this chunk here. I feel like I'm just gonna do this manually, which feels like cheating a little bit. And we also have L6, R8, R10 here. Wait, that was not right. L6, R8, R10. Valakudari says it's not cheating, I did it manually too. Alright, let me copy this off into Nanoland, where I can look at it slightly more reasonably. Okay, what do we have? L4, L4, L10? That's one of the ones that we're guessing is a thing. So that would cover this. And this. And where do we see the other ones? And this. And this. We have another L10, L4, L10. No. Oh, there's one. Oh wait, that's the one we already found. Michaela says cheating. Did he win? No. Very little in advent code is actually cheating. Yeah, I kind of agree there. The L6, R8, R10 is the other one that I had. Oh, I fucked up. That can't be right because we're running out of programs. Problem solving is the point, yeah. Can you cheat to solve a puzzle? I guess I could generate... Getting points is the point. Yeah, I got a measly 7 points today. GG me. You done? Yeah, we have 100 there. And 100 there. 45 minutes, that's impressive. I got it in 14 minutes? That's crazy town. That's amazing. Okay, I could find all segments of 6 and 10. I could find all substrings that are some length and then see, and then brute force it. Oh. Man, I wish I didn't have to wear headphones when streaming. It's actually kind of annoying when I think about it. Like, I want to listen to music, but also I can't listen to music out of my speakers because then it picks it up on my microphone. Like, these first world problems. Okay, I think I could just generate some subsequences here and then pattern and then see if they overlap with all of the things. Why not add each instruction together for len x? So if x was 3, you would do that, then that, then that. And then increase x until you don't get any more. But the problem, I mean, the problem is, I might have like one sequence that's long, one sequence that's short, and one sequence that's long, or some mishmash of that. So I think I need to like do some permutes. Get wireless buds. I don't like wireless either though. That's the other problem. Like my other option is like where is my music? Like my other option is oh, I could do this. Where really even work? No, this doesn't even work. That wouldn't even work either. Wear earbuds under headphones to hear your music. that wouldn't help at all. That would defeat the entire purpose. Just use a potato instead. Well, I'm a potato. That's not even the quote. What's the Portal 2 quote? I don't even remember. Now this music isn't working. Like, what the f— Can you guys still hear the music? Nope. Amazing. Alright, I fixed it. Just need to skip the song. The music stopped when you switched to earbuds. Okay, well it should be back now. It's picking it up. Very quiet. It'll get there. Just let it happen. I think your earbud test was invalid because of that. That could be true. Do we want to fuck it up again? Let's see. Okay, so audio's gone now. Also, my computer like super lagged when I plugged in headphones. There's no audio now. And if I refresh this, where's the audio coming out of? Right? Pythonks. Wait, there's another Pythonk? What did you do? What is that, Michaela? How did you add more Pythonk to the Pythonk? What? What the fuck even? Okay, now it's coming out of my speakers. That's really not what I want. Okay, my microphone's still working. Music is not working. Using points. What does that mean? It's extra thunky, right? For a second I thought someone had my emote and I was like, what? Witch, burn her! Using points. Oh, is that what this like channel points thing is that they like made a thing about? Modify a single emote. Is that what this button does? This emote. Oh, and then you can attach a thonk to it. What the fuck? The fuck? You can put glasses on it? Alright, it's weird. I don't know what's up with that. Hey, what's up, Catherine? Are you drunk again? I had a few drinks. We're trying to figure out this sequence here. He's sleep programming. This is something. Alright, so if we have 20 characters, we can use a sequence of up to like 5 or something? Five gonna be enough. No, we can go longer than 5. Wait, why did I think this was a sequence? Did we see this somewhere else? Oh, it's right here. Oh, and it's longer. Okay, so maybe L6, R8, R10, L6, L6 might be one of them. That's exactly 20 characters. I don't think we're gonna do better than that one, so I think this is one of them. So we matched this. Like, I don't think we're gonna do better than that. L6, R8, R10, L6, L6. So oh, and interestingly enough, this is the same as what we start with at the top. Oh, and then this is, I think we found it, just by dumb luck. L4, R8. Yeah, this is the... Oh, that's a bummer. I didn't get to algorithm it. Okay, well, figured it out, I guess. Let's manually put in the answer. I'm kind of sad now. I wanted to be clever, but fuck it. Alright, so first put in the program. We're going to call it Z will be A, so... let's see. A, and then, well, actually, we'll call that C, and then A, and then C, then A, and then what, L4, L4, L10 will be B, B, and then A, and then C, and then A, and then B. Alright, C is L4, R8, L6, L10. And then B is L4, L4, L10. And then C. Wait, this was C. Fuck. A is L4, L4. No? Oh, I've confused the hell out of myself. I've confused the hell out of myself. Some of these are marked wrong. Alright, the L4, L4, L10 is gonna be B. B, 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 B. And L6, R8, R10, L6, L6. The one that ends in L6, L6 is gonna be A. And this will be C. This one is the L6, L6 one, so this is A. Is this one actually C? C is L4, R8, L6, L10. Yes? This is the L6, L6 one, so this is A. This is the L4, L4, L10 one. What was that one supposed to be? B? Yeah. This is B. And then B. L6, R8. The L6, L6 one is supposed to be A. Okay. C, A, C, A. B, B. A, C, A, B. Okay, cool. And then A is supposed to be L6, R8, R10, L6, L6. Then B is L4, L4, L10, and C is L4, R8, L6, L10. Return next, we gotta do integers, so this will be ord of prog. Wait, ord of next of prog. List is not an iterator. Oh, right. Hey, what's up, Deep Six This? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. It's capital prog. Oh, I forgot to answer no. It's amazing, it actually prints the prompt. I didn't notice that. Kinda cool. We don't need any stinking video feed. Don't want to overheat our computer. Okay, cool. We got there in the end. I'm a little unsatisfied though. Little dissatisfied, but let's see. I saw a tweet to you from a Lyft open source guy that made me think you'd been at a party. Hope you had a good time. Oh. Is that from Mr. Ryan Lane? I did not check the Twitter. Also, Twitter is not giving me notifications. What's going on here? Oh, there we go. After party Twitch stream. Yes. Yes. Yes, I had been at a party. Okay. Oh, I'm so dissatisfied that I figured it out just by manually figuring it out. What do you guys want to see me do? Do you want to see me try and figure it out with code, or what? Do you want to see me do it in code in a different language? Because we gotta do a different language, which means I have to do another int code. Still admin a code? Yep, still is. Is he typing out a Mortal Kombat cheat code? Yes, it is indeed. It's just a really roundabout way to get people to enter the Konami code. Yep. This reminds me of trying to memorize San Andreas cheats on the PS2. It can be trying to memorize movesets from Soul Calibur 2. Yeah. Now we implement intcode in another language. How about we do intcode in another language and then we try and figure it out without using my eyes. Implement the Cynic Core Challenge VM and then do it in assembly. Simpler explanation of what I was trying to say. Add each step to the list until there's only one occurrence of it in the text, then back off one character and remove that set from the set. You mean like build a substring until it's a unique substring and then it's not? And then just do that greedily? And that would work. Because then you know it's a useless substring. That wouldn't necessarily work for all inputs though. Like you would halt immediately if you just like had one of the programs being L4 and then the other one was just like R8, R8, R8. For the rest of it, you would never find your 3 programs, but one of them would be not that important. Important tip, do not open the Cynic Core Challenge if you intend to sleep tonight. You'll get super hooked. Yeah, I'm not going to open that. I will look at it later, though. Probably in January. Okay, what language do we want to do? PHP? Don't worry, he never checks his bookmarks. Come on, man. You're kind of right, though. I'm really bad at checking my bookmarks. Although I do have this bookmark. This is one of my favorite bookmarks. I already did Lua for one of the days, Eric, so I gotta pick a different language. These are the languages we already did. This is a bummer, because I kind of wanted to make an actually... Well, I made a sort of fast encode VM, but it's not complete, because it's in Rust. My Swift encode VM was pretty fast. My Go encode VM is fast. Here's my opinion of PHP. Is this Evie's blog post? No, this is not Evie's blog post. Evie's blog post is pretty funny though. Oh! I mainly wanted to do PHP because it's bad, not because it's good. Did I do Java? Yeah, I did Java. What other, let's see, top programming languages 2019. What are the ones that I've done or haven't done? For businesses? I don't really care. I just want like a short list. This is a top 10 list. We did JavaScript, we did Python, we did Java, we did C and C++. We have not done PHP. We did Swift. We did not do C#. That would be kind of fun. We did Ruby. I'm not doing Objective-C. Fuck that. Hey, we did SQL. We did the top 10. We did it. What was the TOB index? Oh, this one. We did Java, C, we did Python, C++, we did C#. I'm not doing .NET. I'm not doing Visual Basic .NET. I'll do C#. We didn't do C#. Why did I say we did C#? Did JavaScript? I think PHP. Should we do PHP? Or should I do C#? PHP or C#? Those are the two that I want to consider for this. C#? You just said you've done Java. Michaela says she'd rather do PHP. Ooh, we've got 2 votes for C#. We have 1 for PHP. Bifunge. Oh, you got your name changed. You were Schmedium Hard Boy. Now you're Mr. Megabytes. That's a nice new name. I like that. Intercal. What is intercal? It has to be like a legitimate language, though. The compiler language with no pronounceable acronym, abbreviated intercal. Clunap. Why, though? Oh my god, it's a... Oh, this looks normal. Because that's C. Oh, yeah, no. We're not doing an esoteric language. I'm not implementing an intcode VM in this very, very terrible thing. It is a very, very not a legit language. Do not do this. I was Metabytes before, but the name isn't back in the pool yet. Oh, I see. Please give up. This looks normal. What, Michaela? Alright, I think I'm gonna do PHP. It's been a while. It's been a really long time since I've written PHP. It's been almost 15 years since I've done PHP. Look at the timeline of programming languages on Wikipedia and try choosing one you've never heard of. Okay. Timeline of programming languages, Wikipedia. I'm not going back to the 50s, though. Or the 60s. Or... Wait, this is a real thing? Not just a meme language? 70s? Oh, these are some well-named languages. Just name it a color. MATLAB was in 1970s? Wow. C with classes. Later became C++, I guess. A lot of languages here. Oh, I wanted to do OCaml at some point, but I know nothing about it. Erlang. Right? But yeah, we're gonna do PHP today. That's the plan. And I hear short tags aren't cool anymore. Clojure. Ooh, that would be fun. Did you see Betaveros doing this golf thing? Day 8 answer is 19 bytes. Oh, that's wild. Curl is a language. Oh yeah, right here. Reflective object-oriented programming language for interactive web applications. What? Not to be confused with curl, a software for URL stuff. Loading web page things. I already did day 8 in was that the one I did in intcode? I'm pretty sure I already did that one in intcode. That was the one that I did do, yeah. I did day 8 in intcode. That one's not so bad. Here's my intcode for day 8. Pretty short too. Except I put the data at the end. I didn't read it as an input. This was before we had input-output instructions, I think. Oh no, we had them by that point. But I decided to like just kind of cheat a little bit. But here's my like pseudocode for day 8 in intcode, and my pre-assembled, and then my also pre-assembled, and then this is my pseudo assembler. But yeah, day 8 in intcode actually wasn't so bad. We did this one on stream. It was actually pretty fun to write this. But I basically invented my own variable syntax and address offset syntax. Seeing other people's intcode assembly is so weird to me, right? But I still had some like hard-coded offsets in here. Because my code, the way I wrote my code was self-modifying. It wasn't intentionally going to be self-modifying, but I didn't realize until the end that I needed a pointer, and I just like completely overlooked that fact. But then I can simulate a pointer with self-modifying code. So I was like, well, I could rewrite everything, or I could just do this janky thing. But it works well. Yeah. Janky thing, right? But this worked pretty well, and like it actually was pretty reasonable to translate. Although the relative offsets was a thing that I did at the end because I kept losing track of like where the things would go. In a better assembler, I would probably implement labels and like an actual data section and offsets there. My Christmas wish list would be an AOC postmortem, more deep and year specific than your recent talks, but I did read your Reddit comment about spoiling magic and I totally get it. My encode assembler has all sorts of features that let me precisely control what the output looks like. Oh, interesting. Okay, PHP. Let's start. I hear short tags are out, so I also hear that end tags are not cool anymore either, so that's all changed since I did PHP. argv in PHP. Well, we'll start with our minimal tabs, right? argv in PHP. $argv. 0 is the name of the script. Okay. If argv I don't remember how to do length in PHP. Does not equal to usage. I do remember a little bit of PHP. I'm sure there's a new like syntax for there's a new syntax for I typoed, damn it. I'm pretty sure there's a syntax for what are they called? String formatting. End tags were never cool. Damn, Eric. Wow. You're wrong and you should feel bad. Only value of end tags is to get extra white space printed when you run a file. I mean, all the PHP that I did was websites, and not in any, like, good way. So let me see. Let me open this off screen first, because I seem to remember there's passwords just chilling out in my source code. See if I can find that code. This is some really, really old code. MySQL. Okay, there's no MySQL in this, so in theory this is fine to show on stream. So this is this website, which is an IP address website, which kind of works, but written in, I have a commit date on this? Probably not, because I didn't commit it to Git until a lot later. We used to, my friend and I used to version control this by emailing a zip back and forth, which is basically Git anyway, so it's not all that different. But look, I loved short tags. They were so good. HTML 4.01 transitional. Some old school stuff. Some really crappy JavaScript, and this is definitely not an XSS problem. Pay no attention to that. You saw nothing. ActiveX. ActiveX objects. Check out this shit. We're doing some old school Ajax requests, back when people still called it Ajax and it actually was XML. That's the JavaScript part. We used includes to do page rendering. And just like random template text. You can probably still load those, to be honest. A PHP comment instead of... I guess this is better than putting an HTML comment here. Oh, and these short tags, man, I remember these. People hated these. But I loved them. They were so nice. So nice. The fuck? If the browser is Opera, produce a different wrapped result? What? Why did I do this? Why didn't I just fix the CSS? We have Opera specific code here. Amazing. Oh, this was the Service Pack 2 security level thing. I remember that. Detected spyware. This is actually pretty good. We got pretty good at detecting spyware just based on user agent. Oh, this is Service Pack 2 detection. But anyway, this is some really old PHP code that I wrote. Long time ago. PHP was a decent templating language at the time. It's still a decent templating language. Aneurysm says, Holy GeoCities, Batman. Is there a GeoCities mirror? So I had a GeoCities page way back in the day. Let's see if it's still up. It was a Pokemon website. Damn, they did not do it. Oh wait, there's other choices down here? Oh! It rendered quickly and then disappeared. Oh, this is gonna be too cringy. Never mind, we're not gonna open that. Also, we gotta put this tab back. That was the one I actually searched. Okay. Undefined use of constant length, assumed length. This will throw an error in a future version. Off to a good start. Oops. Also, should we edit this one in Babby like we did last time? I'll force myself to use Babby. We can show my text editor in action. Babio. So now if I type nano part1.php. Hey, it's my text editor. Woohoo. .count pren. That sounds, yeah, more reasonable. It's been enough years. Oh right. There's the keyboard shortcuts are different. Count expects one argument. Oh. It's count. Right, global function named count. And we need a new line. We need squishy quotes new line. Okay. Alright. Wanna see do the thing, do it. Oh. What? Oh. I see. Wait, I'm so far behind. Oh, I see. Every time I think of PHP, the first thing that comes to mind is this image summary of each language. Is this the one with the, like... Oh, wait. Python, what if everything was a dict? Java, what if everything is an object? This is so small. I don't know how you're going to be able to see this. JavaScript, what if everything was a dict and an object? Where's PHP? What if we wanted to make SQL injection easier? Okay. We got to that punchline at least. Pretty good. I like it. Okay. I remember file get contents. That's a thing, right? Why does it say counts? What am I... Undefined function file get contents. Okay, then I don't remember the name. Oh, it's underscores. Hey, if I don't actually click on this, does it count as a tab? There's like 4 naming conventions in PHP, right? PHP was never a decent language. It's fair. Does that count as a tab? I don't think my GeoCities counts as a tab. You guys just want me to not close it. Pokemon Rule 34. No, it was a website about Pokemon glitches, and like weird things you could do with them way back in the day. And they added anonymous functions and improved a full language tier, though. I think that was after my time. There were eventually some legit frameworks for PHP, but oi. Aneurysm can't remember PHP, such a blessing, right? Oh yeah, for sure, Michaela. You can find my website. It's not hard. Go ahead and read through it. That's what I remember being on the page. That's why I didn't open it. Snake case is allowed here. Oh shit, snake case is allowed here. Sad/4. If you don't click on it, it's not a tab. That's my feel. Missing no best Pokemon. Agreed. 2 water guns and sky attack. Can't beat it. Explode. Oh right, I remember Explode. Yeah. Yeah, Explode. Is there like a functional map? Why do I keep typing PHPH? Array map. Why is this in a... I'm so sad. So sad. Oh my god. This is fucking amazing. I love this. This is so bad, but I love it. Oh my god. Oh. We're writing terrible code today, right? So this is fine. Everything is okay about this. Oh, fuck. This is so good. Wait, did I have to pass some other argument to it? Comma true. What does comma true do? Oh, I love PHP. Everything about this is okay. Grim, you picked a bad time. Don't look. Don't look, guys. I'm definitely not writing PHP. You saw nothing. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. This code is so bad. But it's so funny. Oh shit. Mr. Metabyte says, "All right, gotta head off to bed. I'll catch you later. Thanks for stopping by." Oh man, I'm sorry. This is just so bad, but it's so funny that I have to do it. Ooh. Hey, what's up, Melanol? How's it going? C9C says early versions of PHP would convert query params directly into query variables in the main user scope, and it would let users overwrite built-in variables like argv in ways that were not secure. Yeah, I remember that. Tomorrow's release day, so I should have some semblance of sleep. Makes sense. Makes sense. Array map applies the named function to each element. Also, you don't need to convert between numbers and strings. Oh, I don't? Oh. Alright, well, we're using the, oh yeah. Oh yeah, the big hair photo. This one I'm not, like, so embarrassed about. Yeah, this is me. This is me in, what year is this? 2010? Yeah, that would have been, like, right around when Minecraft was a big deal. If it wasn't insecure, it wasn't PHP. Useless Pony says, "Woo, PHP Strum." Yeah, I knew this would be better than C#. JSON decode him crying. I was actually crying. Making fun of my old GeoCities, yeah. Grim says, "I spent all stream reading Python written by Java developers and working with XML, so I think we're okay." Yeah, I don't know. I think I might be in a better situation than that. Better depends on your fitness function. Since we're optimizing for our amusement, absolutely. At this point, you might as well eval. Nah, eval's too much work. You look like a baby. Yeah, this is college me. Zoomed in. It's my sick Minecraft shirt. He doesn't even have his hands in his pockets correctly. Wait, what's that supposed to mean? Is there a correct way to put your hands in your pockets? Like, what am I supposed to do? Like, is this not normal? Wait, can you guys see that? Is that not normal? Like, what? How am I supposed to put my hands in my pockets? Thumb and index crotch to be at the lip of the pocket. It just looks like you're pulling your pants up. It does look like that. Oh, I don't even know. Oh, what is the repr thing in PHP? Oh, actually, we have it on this page, don't we? Somebody showed it. Var dump. With blings? Blings or no? With blings. I do appreciate this, like, warning thing. Okay. We've got our big ol' map of strings. Is it a map? Is it a list? Is there a difference in PHP? It does say array. But I think arrays in PHP are weird. Anyway, let's intcode this up as we've done so many times. Day 9, part 2. Arrays are both ordinal lists and lexical lists. Ah, yes. The beauty of PHP. How do I make a function in PHP? Is it just function? If I had syntax highlighting, I would probably know. Let's see, function parameter. We're gonna try that. Mode equals. This is not gonna be syntax, but we'll fix it later. I seem to remember PHP, you have to like explicitly opt into closure variables, so I'll have to figure that out. Also, we'll have to retrieve a value and default to 0, which is annoying. And that change to the intcode program was probably the one that was the most annoying in languages that were not Python. In Python, you just, oh cool, I just changed it from list to default date, but in everything else, it's like, now I have to change all of my array retrievals to gets. It's just annoying. But I guess it makes it easier to write out of bounds and like have cutesy stuff like that. Oh yeah, you don't need breaks after return. Defaults. We're gonna guess that's a global function in PHP because PHP. Oh, the music isn't working again. Fuck. Has it been not working for a while? Well, it's still not working. Ugh. Why didn't anyone say anything? Why did no one say anything? How do I fix this? Maybe if I open a new tab. It's coming on my headphones though. Audio input capture. That one. Desktop audio. Settings. Oh, I hate when this happens. I usually restart OBS, but I don't want to do that. Device. Logitech USB headset. Oh, we have music again. Okay, fixed. Keep using that word. It's for performance. JavaScript does that too. The language I'm trying to make will do that too. Oh. Intcode++. Intcode with classes. Next year will be shapecode. All instructions and data are represented by polygons. Serious question, why make your own language given that there's already so many? I mean, if that was the strat, then no one would ever make new programming languages, and we would be stuck with the ones we have right now. Because I want to make a language that works like I think about code in my brain. Oh, that's nice. I don't know of a language that does. It reminds me of the CD I was looking at the other day that had this phrase in it. Allows remote attackers to execute arbitrary code via a large 2D geometric figure. Oh yeah, I remember that CB. That one was good. There's a good chance if you think of it in a certain way, many others will too. Or you're crazy. Either or. Hey, what's up, Bobias? Thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. I mean, I've looked at very many languages. It's fair. We're gonna do the write a bunch of code and then hope that it's right approach. And then it's not gonna be right, and then we'll fix it later. Hey, what's up, Up Jump? What's up, Jump? We're using Babby today, so I'm gonna do a lot of this weird thing where I try and write, and then I say yes, and then I say enter. And so if you see me type Y enter on accident every once in a while, you'll know why. Is it true in PHP? I want to say it's capital true and it's like a macro or something. We'll find out. Wait. Are user space functions? I don't remember. We'll see if we get unexpected T whatever, and then we'll fix it. I feel like the switch in PHP is worse than the switch in any other language. Bang up jump. Bang still, yeah. Bang unknown command. Hey, you've done more than lurking, Eric. I do like the still. Oh, you're trying to get my bot to use /me. Is that a thing? What have I told you about pen testing without permission? You're not my mom. I'm actually surprised. What is it doing for still /me? Oh, it does send it. Interesting. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good at all. I think we have to disable that one. I think we have to disable that command. Actually, does my bot have any permissions? I don't think my bot has any permissions. It's not an admin. It's a VIP. What can a VIP do? What /commands can it run? Let's see. As long as it can't run ban, we're good, right? Can't run timeout. Yeah, I think we're fine. But it is actually running those / commands. It's pretty clever though. Oh, I wonder if you can get it to run. Like, can you get it to show the special thonk emotes? Bang still this. Nope, it won't show the special double thonk emotes. See, it tried though. It tried aneurysm, or it tried Eric. Doesn't have access to it. I guess I could log into its account and then give it access or something like that. Don't you mean a bang still .. Etsy password? Oh yeah, the bot doesn't reply to itself. That would be pretty fun though. Just get it to loop. Do a recursive bot. VIP is just no rate limit. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I wanted to ban, but saw it was just VIP. It was clever though. You guys did find. I didn't realize that was a thing that would happen, but I guess you guys found a bug. I'll have to fix that at some point. All right, more int code. To do input here. We're just gonna do it inline instead of having callbacks like we usually do. Case 5 if HP has truthiness, right? I don't know if this has a bling here. I can never remember. We'll find out later though. We can be explicit though. Oh, that didn't work. Was that a bug in my code? Oh no, I must have just pressed up and down quickly and not noticed it. Wait, what did you do? How did you get it to do the special me? Oh, is it .me in Twitch commands? Oh. Oh, nice, nice, useless pony. Oh wait, did Michaela do it first? Yeah, the like the end game is trying to get Anzi escapes to show up in my terminal. That's the true win. Hey, what's up, Hex Regex? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I don't know if it strips them though. Yeah, what is this dot prefix thing? That's like super non-standard. Does he win money for the bug he found? Yeah, bug bounty on my Twitch chatbot. that'd be special. It definitely stripped the escape character. Okay, well then probably won't be able to do that. Are you sending the escape character in chat, or are you sending it with like what's it called? The actual RC protocol? Oh, in chat, yeah, it definitely strips it there. I would hope so. If it doesn't, like, oh boy. Pram instruction 1 is less than pram instruction 2. And I'm not going to make the mistake that I've made every time I've ported this code. We're going to remember to do PC plus equals 4 here. But every other time I've ported this, I've forgotten that while implementing 7 and 8 for whatever reason. Oh, but I did forget the break. Pleb tier. Case 9. I don't know if that's blinged or not still. And I'm surely forgetting a semicolon somewhere. Unless they're implicit. I don't recall. Also, double quotes are lame. Let's use single quotes. Okay, what was day 9 part 1? The input instruction was just 1, I want to say. Yeah. Prog or instruction 1 equals 1. And output was just is there a println? Oh. Oh, we need to do the program counter PC plus equals 2. Same down here. Line 9, expecting T variable. Okay, so these probably need blinging. What that's telling me. Unexpected switch on line 11. Oh, we forgot our semicolons here. Unexpected on line 11. I saved, right? Ah, fuck. Yikes. Oh, slash slash is a comment. True. True. Integer division PHP. Int div function. You're right, it is a comment. I fell into that same trap at least once already. Int div. Unexpected bracket expecting semicolon on line 27. Indeed. Indeed. How did I make that same one twice? On line 44. We'll get there eventually. Line 24. Indeed. Okay, this must not do what I think it does. So let's try how of 10 to this. Oh, also, this is supposed to be here. Undefined PC on line 27. Okay, that makes sense. Access variables from closure in PHP. This is the thing that I had to... not in anonymous functions, but maybe... use. Is that a thing? Is that how this works? Use prog rb pc. Nope. Maybe I can do it with an anonymous function. Then I definitely need to bling it below. Unexpected t variable. Oh, I need a semicolon here. I'm just guessing a bit here. Undefined RB on line 9. Oh, indeed. So if we scoot these guys up. Call to undefined function on 49. That's not what I want. Try that. Does that work? Ah, I did the thing again. Oh, it seemed to have worked. Bling in some functions. Yeah, my text editor is actually reasonably usable. I'm actually pretty surprised. That's a fun one. All right, how far beyond? Oh, we're so far behind in chat. Let's see. We're talking about the bounty for the bug in my bot. Take some bitcoins or satoshis. Block useless pony. You're trying to block yourself, useless pony? Yeah, this dot prefix is pretty weird. Probably some IRC-esque thing where the UI is /this, but the route protocol is .this. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Kind of weird. So you guys are having too much fun with the bot. No, the bot's fun. That's why I made it. IRC already took intercept / command, so Twitch translates / to dot. Still, I find it insane that Twitch is just an IRC server 1970s tech. Yeah. Worried about the bot. I need a way to test if I'm not blocked by the bot. Oh, the block would be from the channel. Oh, unless you think that the bot can block you in that way. Interesting. Oh, wait, did the private message thing work, Eric? That would be crazy. uh. Oh, are you trying to do /Nick? That would have been funny. Bot. You need global dollar thing. I think what I did maybe worked. I don't know what this is about though. Line 39. The program counter must be going off the chains there. I don't know. We'll look at that in a second. When we pass 66 tabs, what's the high score? I think 66 is the high score, yeah. Did the browser crash? No, I've got a lot of RAM. I can get away without crashing the browser. I have a coworker that doesn't close tabs more than once a week. He must have hundreds open each week. That's amazing. Yeah, I'm using Babby, Michaela. Private message thing did not seem to work. Oh, it's probably good. Block the bot from seeing me, can't see me, won't know when to ban me. Oh. Hey, what's up, ETN-nth? Eaton's? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, are you trying to /part? That'd be, that would be, pretty amazing if you could pull that off. Or are you trying to change the color? Oh, I bet you could get it to change the color. Someone made it change color, because it was not this color at the beginning of the stream. I don't think. Oh no, it didn't work. Huh. I think you have to use lowercase. Oh no, you do have to use uppercase. Is orange one of the choices? No, it's orange red. Try orange red. Like this. Try that. Oh, it seemed to not work. Huh. Weird. I don't know. Like if I do color yeah. I don't know then. When to find offset this big ass number on line 16? Well, it's time to put some echoes in this, I guess. Alright, squishy quotes. Is PHP. Huh. Oh, we get undefined here for the instruction, so we jump to some random ass location. Probably. Oh no, I didn't push today's. Oh, I didn't commit today's either. Partially because I was embarrassed by how I got to the end, but no, I didn't push it yet. But I'll push it later. Here's the tab that has. I can delete that. Okay, so the problem is I'm retrieving values and I have not implemented the retrieval as 0, which is probably gonna make my code super ugly. Retrieve value with defaults PHP. Oh, I don't want to put this everywhere. Oh. Oh, PHP 7 has a null coalescing operator. We are in PHP 7. Oh, that means I have to put question mark somewhere and everywhere. Oh, I hates it. I hates it so much. Time to make a class. No, we're not making a class. No classes today. If count mem less than adder, array fill mem. Oh, I guess I could do that. I could. That was what my. That's actually how my SQLite one works. It checks the address of the stores before it runs and sets them to 0 if they don't exist. Yeah, so here we do insert or replace into program. Oh wait. Oh no, I got rid of that. The older version used. Oh yeah, it uses coalesce. Wait. The old version of my SQLite one inserted into the table using some update statements. Actually, we can probably see it. Yeah, here we go. This is what it did. Insert or ignore into prog. Still / mod Michaela Fox. The bot's still here? Yeah, it's still listening. Still listening. I guess I could do that. And it's really just for retrieval that we need to do this. Trinary? Do they mean ternary? I hates it. I hates it so much. Oh, I hate it so much. But we're not going for good, we're going for works. I gotta do it down here too. Hey, what's up, Salty Samuel? Thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. Gotta do this one down there. Alright, we don't have my special... we don't have indenting and dedenting working, so I gotta... Well, we have indenting, we just don't have dedenting. I gotta do that annoying ass thing. Ooh. That looks better. Where did these come from? Oh, we need more squishy quotes here. Alright, do we have part 1 working? So much intcode. Why do I feel like it printed more before? Module name support. Okay. Those are very different results. Okay, we can debug this. We have the tools. Oh, I see what's going on here. Dang it. My bot does support Unicode though, and it mentioning me. That worked. Only the broadcaster can mod. Oh. I could bot you. Are you having trouble spelling emoji, Michaela? You got there in the end. Oh, this is a lot harder to see what's going on without syntax auditing. Although I was fine in PHP because, okay, that's what we get in Python. PHP part1.php. Day 9 input.text. Head 20. Where do we go differently? This instruction. Instruction 5. Or the thing that led to 5, maybe. Huh. What was the instruction directly before that? 8? Oh. It's this one! We found it! Trip equals? Sure, it's PHP, right? Still not the same instruction set, though. Oh, this is so gross. What do we even look for here? Isn't Unicode is evil in 2019? Yeah. Nice. Can't even do this right. Well, that's quite different than this here. Was this one of the ones where we had to change one of the values? Or did we just read it and go? We just read it and go. Okay, so we know the bugs before here. So that's good. Let's do the same for instruction 2. Slowly print debugging on my this and surely this won't be the last intcode. Although it'll be the last one I stream for a while. It'll be the last one till January. Oh, is this gonna be integer overflow? Oh no, those numbers look the same. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's look at 7 next. What line is that on? 100. Cool, forgot my semicolon again. What? That's clearly the problem. What about this Python bug trigger? Looks like it worked fine to me. Hey, what's up, Gapri? Thank you for the follow and welcome to the stream. XD, how's it going? Why do you code on something that doesn't show colors? This is my text editor, actually. It will eventually support colors, beyond this derpy color test thing. It'll eventually support syntax highlighting, but I haven't implemented it yet. But I'm showing that it's usable. It's actually usable. And I know I'm typing nano in the terminal. That's just that's the muscle memory kicking in. But it is actually Babby. It is actually my Python text editor. So I'm just showing that it kind of works. You got a haircut. Nice. Sounds good. Okay, so this is where we are having le bug. What if I do this? What if I change it to shitty equality? Nope, still broken. Oops. Oh wait, this isn't even the equality one. That was this one up here. We're gonna put those back, since presumably it's still fine. Okay. And in Python, it's this verbose name that I don't like. Okay. Param1 is 0. Well, that definitely seems like a problem. Which is probably in this code up here. Huh. Is it your babby? It is my babby. I'm guessing it won't be noob friendly when it's all done. I mean, it should be very similar to Nano. It'll be the same, a lot of the same keyboard shortcuts. So it should be pretty noob friendly. Eric doesn't use syntax highlighting. I have this instead. Oh. 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 Synesthesia is interesting. I have like very mild synesthesia for numbers, but not enough that helps or changes my general perception. But that's kind of cool. I said noob friendly, not nude friendly, Michaela. Gosh, where's your mind? Where are you braining me? It must be one of these. Let's see, 1007 would be for parameter 1 it would be mode 0. And it should be in whatever got stored directly above it. So this nullability thing here is probably busted. What happens if I comment this out? Ram1 becomes undefined? What is even the input for that? Oh yeah, we start by writing to a giant memory address. Maybe the assignment isn't working? Huh, that's kind of cool. Users with no wrong answers. Yikes. Some days I have some wrong answers. Okay, so it looks like what's happening is my assignment is not feeding. Line 22. Yeah. Oh, that makes this real sad. I guess we'll just do this terrible helper function. That'll be less error prone than although wait, we had null coalescing, right? We could do that. Let's try null coalescing. That's a cool new feature, right? Just have to put it fucking everywhere. We're still getting 0 though. What is this? Oh, it's the winter bash thing on Stack Overflow. Store into undefined index PHP. Because I think my store is not... Well, it said it's stored here. It's stored as a string index, maybe? The destination was 63. Oh, this looks wrong up here. Well, let's see what it is in Python. What did I change here? Whoa, what did you do, Eric? What is that? Okay, I need to go pass out. Good luck with your PHP. There's this wacky highlighting that you did. Channel points. Oh, is that what? That's weird. Is a channel point. Hey, thanks for stopping by though. Thanks for sticking around for so long as I wrote terrible PHP. And tomorrow will be my last day that I'll stream this for a while because I'm going back home. But hope to see you around, and perhaps in the future. And Diablo Kyo, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. You can put a Santa hat on the Python too. Oh, that's great. But yeah, thank you again for Advent of Code. It's been great. If I don't see you around, just know that I'm really happy with what you've built. Hey, the dreaded one. Thank you for the cheer. You're number one. Yeah, you did it, man. You did it. I like it because it's near guaranteed to break up the blobs of text unless you're alliterating. Oh, the highlight. Haha, making a maker comes in with the 2 bits. Denied. Oh, you guys gonna fight over the top spot with your 1s and 2s bits? Okay. Oh. Oh. That looks wrong. Hey, useless pony, thank you for the follow. Seen you in stream all night, but thank you for finally clicking that button. Greatly appreciated. Let's see, what do we got here? Why, you know? The dreaded one with the reversal. Oh, it didn't work though. You gotta one up him. Gotta get one more. Useless Pony says, I'm off. Well, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully I'll see you around in the future as I debug this PHP. Yeah, ties don't put you in the top spot, the dreaded one. Okay, this is the bug though, or at least where it's going wrong. Oh, you're not tied. Oh, I see now. But now making a maker is winning again. Well, boom! You guys are funny. What the fuck is wrong here, though? Program counter is 0? Doesn't sound right. Oh, is it capturing it at the beginning and never modifying it? Oh. That would suck. Yeah, admin of code Marco8137. We're debugging. I'm using my own text editor. It's okay. And I don't know how to write PHP is the answer. So we gotta add these as parameters here. Gross. This is what I did in my REST solution though, so it's fine, I guess. So we can just do all these at once, right? Go through 9. And replace that with instruction. Oh, I forgot to capture the group. Man, you guys are all over it with bits tonight. Thank you again, making a maker and the dreaded one as you throw 2 bits back and forth forever. Oh, those salty bits? Nice. Prog RB PC. No matches. Oh, we need to escape it. Okay, it makes the code gross, but whatever. It's PHP, fuck it. What do we get now? Oh, that looks much better. Get rid of all of these now. Is that the right answer? Have we implemented intcode yet again? Two 29322107990. Okay, cool. And let's make sure that it works for part 2 of that one. What is that emote? Oh, it's a unicorn. Okay. Alright. I see what it's supposed to look like, though. Sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. Change this to 2. Okay, cool. Alright, we have a working int code. Now we can start implementing this this problem. Right, the dreaded one? Okay. My guess is on day 25, everyone discovers they've made a RISC-V interpreter. Right? Okay, so we have 2 things to implement here. We have the input and we have the output. The output is going to... Where is it? Output function here. So we store a grid of things. Making a maker with even more biddies. Little itty bitty biddies. I'm guessing the input goes in and the output comes out. Yeah, that's usually how that works. We're hoping that holds up for today. We have no input for part 1. That's fine. We do for part 2. Or yeah, we do for part 2. So here we have to what? We store into our grid. I don't know why I googled this. It's just array paren, right? Whoa, is that 12 biddies at once? 12 at once? Man, you're really pulling into the lead there, dreaded one. Keep this up in a month until you'll get a payout. Oh, it was a typo. You meant to do 2. Yikes. I don't know that there's refunds for bits. I think you might be stuck out those 12 cents then. Convert integer to character PHP. Like char at or something like that? Oh, it's just CHR. Okay. that a thing I can do in PHP? Is there a, like, PHP REPL? We want. Sick. Okay. We have this bad boy parsed now, so that's good. You're stuck now. Yeah. We're listening to a dot matrix printer. The song is called Escape. Yes, it is a dot matrix printer. The dreaded one says, looks like I won the bit war, so here, have all of my bits. What the fuck am I gonna do with 79 cents? Thank you, friend. What are you going to do with 79 cents? Okay, so after we've run the program, we can do this logic here. For each PHP. And then making a maker's gotta swoop in at the last minute with 91 bits with the kappa to take over. The long game. Upjump says 2 liter of discount soda. Yeah, it's true. Would you even get a 2 liter? Certainly not in California. That shit's expensive. For each, array expression is key to value. I suspect it's not going to be in order, though. Well, we'll find out. For each, grid as A lot of maths here. Y chord is less than. Does it count? What? Oh. How do we break out of the outer while loop while I'm in a switch? We want PHP. Break accept a numeric argument. Ooh. Ooh. That's nifty. Zero. That's clearly not good. Let's see. Don't forget the extra sugar drink tax, right? 67 cents at Washington State Walmart. Wow. That's not bad. I live in Canada. 2 liters discount soda costs $3 plus. I live in the Bay Area and 2 liters soda is like $6. Yeah, making a maker, that's what I'm used to. The trigger one says, also it's pop. Yeah, I call it pop also. Watching him code, this is why I use Python for web pages. Yeah, this is pretty painful. The break 2 is kind of cool though. Definitely kind of cool. Okay, so what do we got here? I mean, this logic looks the same. Must be my for loops that are busted? Why does this have thousands of elements in it? That's why. Still didn't change the answer though. Oh, because this has to be a squishy quote. Does PHP not have shortcut evaluation? Oh, there's an extra array. There's an extra element at the end of the array because it ends in a new line. So there's an off by one. We got an answer out though, so. What? What is all this printing? Oh. I know, I see what it's doing. I was running the wrong part 1.py. Okay, so it produces the right answer, but produces a bunch of shenanigans output, so let's clean that up. Var dump. So that's one part of it. The other part of it is this goes out of bounds, so we have to delete the last element. Unset. Really? They're all on line 123. Ugh. Statements are nice too. Perhaps I'm just used to them from coding C. Doing a switch in Python is a lot of extra typing. Yeah, there isn't really a good way to do it in Python. I think they left them out because they're bad in some languages. Like implicit break and explicit break is hard to explain to people. And maps kind of do it as well. Delete from almond? No, I said array. Mediox, I'm pretty sure. Embedded stuff sounds cool, but I don't even know why. I don't know, I haven't really written much embedded other than the one iClicker project. Why is it going out of bounds? .34 by 37. Why am I counting? Absurd. Okay, so there should be 33 lines, so we're one too tall, so my unset isn't working. Note that when you use unset, the array keys won't change / reindex. If you want to reindex the keys, you can use array values after unset, which will convert all keys. Takes an array, returns an array. Try that. Nope. Ugh. You can also just -2. Oh, but it's in the X direction? -3. Sure. I don't fucking know why it's -3. That doesn't seem right at all. $35? What in the... Maybe there's 2 new lines at the end? There is 2 new lines at the end. Okay, so maybe we just need to delete 2 things from the end. I don't know why there's 2 new lines at the end. That's kind of weird. Oh, because it doesn't print the grid. Makes sense. Okay, cool. I think we can say we did part 1. Finally. Are we there yet? Yes, Mediax. We got part 1 in PHP. Actually, let's commit the Python code because I said I was gonna do that after I got this one done. Is there anything we wanted to clean up here in Python? Probably not. Just more intcode. Oh, there is a function that MyPy's gonna be mad at. Day 17 part 1. Grumble at me, MyPy. 109 is int tool. I forgot to add it again. This is an integer. Oh. Save, yeah. And 124. Invalid in assignments. How did this work before? This is completely wrong. This should have been row.items. Look at the same answer, but it was completely wrong. Yeah, it actually worked. Somehow. I guess it's because it didn't actually care about the value there. It was just caring about the index, and it happens to be the last 4 rows didn't matter, so we got lucky. That's a special one for sure. Oh damn, I don't think we're gonna have enough time to do part 2 correctly in code in PHP, so we might do that tomorrow. When will I have time? Oh. Computed by hand, beep boop. I am the computer. There we go. I'm not the computer anymore. Oh, I forgot to run the timing. This is our first boil. It's gonna be slow because it prints. If I turn off, let me turn off the printing. Hey, what's up, Marco8137? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Still kind of slow either way. I guess that's fine. Also, hey, IOTCL. Welcome back. Just remember your name because it looks like IOCTL, but it's not. It's sneaky. Day 17, part 2. Ooh. '84. Dict. Couple int stir. To none. 96. List. Oh, this was the weird union thing, right? Yeah. List union. Stir int. Really, I should make a better type for that, but never really got there. Iotical, yeah. You didn't have my TI-83, that would be a trip. Some of the problems would be doable on TI-83. Like, I think you could do day 8 part, well, maybe not part 1. You could probably do day 1 on TI-83. Do it! Yeah. Michaela says, Antonius, how did you even start writing a text editor? It would have been cool to see a series of you going through your steps as you built it up and stuff. Well, funny you should say that, Michaela. I believe most of it is on YouTube. Let's see when I started working on that. It would have been July. Babby. This is the first mention of Babby. Let's see if I started working on it that day.
Alright, looks like we're live. So, let's get level. Set that there.
Let's talks.
Actually learning the material, so sucks to be there.
Still talks.
Input.
This is me reading Rust.
Open file.
This is the bot code. More talk stuff.
Not that one.
Still talks.
That's my setup. It's not really even like oddly quiet right
Still talks. When do we start doing Babby? Oh, this is the Yelp hacks. This is how you highlight your review as blue on Yelp.com. You didn't hear it from me. Oh, here we go. Curses. I think this is the beginning of Babby. This is where Babby was formed.
Like Discord, maybe?
No, I had already started doing something at this point. I think this is after the color test was implemented. Because I didn't write all that code instantly, for sure.
The next engineers know the docs by heart. Yeah.
Yeah, you can see they're working on Babby there.
What other stuff? Microcontrollers. Ooh. I think the things that I want it to do today.
Okay, yeah, it already existed before this stream. Initial commit with color
I've really done
test.
nothing with this other than
That was the first thing that I did. But yeah, if you want to watch like how I built Babby, this is basically the first stream that I started hacking on it.
And start working on navigation.
That's, let's see.
Who knows?
Copy URL at current time. So there you go, Michaela. You can start from there and watch Babby grow. 104. Oh, it's gonna make me pick a better type than that, isn't it? Let's actually fix this then. More talks, less work. It's true, it's true, it's true. I gotta get this to a commit point so that I can sleeps. This code is awful. So bad. I got it. Well, I'll surely rewrite this so that it's less terrible at some point. Then he never rewrites it, of course. Dang it. Let's make a quick hack for that. Okay. Gross, but it works. Oh. Stash changes conflict with hook autofixes. Huh. Wait. Day 17 part 1 in PHP. And I think I will probably call it there and we'll work on more PHP tomorrow. If that's fine with you guys. Just write down rewrite code and go ahead and add that to your bookmarks. Is that gonna be our new stream meme? Oh, I'll just add that to my bookmarks. Yeah, I'll push that up. Even though the code is gross, that is fine. And then we'll do our little spiel. But yeah, that's day 17, or at least some of it. Yeah, you're welcome, Upjump. Let's see how many tabs we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. Only 18. That's because I kind of know PHP. At least I used to write a lot of it. But yeah, if you liked what you saw or missed part of the stream or you want to catch up on other content, you can always go to youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. That's where I upload all my stream content. All my previous streams are up there, as well as some other YouTube videos a long time ago, but whatever. There's other stuff up there. But youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I'm going to be doing my last stream of the year tomorrow. Which will be another Advent of Code stream. I'm probably going to start early so I can finish day 17 in PHP and probably improve my Python solutions. So expect that tomorrow. If I don't start early, I'll start at the normal time, which is right around like 8:50 that I have to pack. So we'll see when that happens. But that'll be the last stream tomorrow. I will announce when I'm starting on twitter.com/codewithanthony. This is my Twitter. Basically, spam something like this, and yeah. I basically say I'm going to be streaming in 60 minutes, and then it happens. I also announced them on Discord. Yeah, you're welcome, Mediox. Always happy to stream. Honestly, if you want to see the like most wholesome, stupid thing, I forgot to stop my recording yesterday after the end of the stream, and after the stream, I'm just like sitting here smiling like an idiot. Midnight Eastern for the next 2 days. Yeah, so this is, I had rated the guy. I know this is his like bit display thing. Not yet. I had just rated the guy. This just shows you like how happy I am to stream, and I thought it was like super telling. See you around. But yeah, I sat out here, clicked raid, opened this guy's stream. I'm still just like sitting here smiling like a fucking idiot, and typing this guy's chat. But like, look at this happy version of me. Like, what is this? It's weird. Take my headphones off, just like continue along my day. But I don't know. Love this stuff. Love you guys. It's great. I'm just like real happy about streaming. So thank you guys for making this enjoyable for me. But anyway, gonna go find someone to raid, and then yeah, that'll happen.